to know Shreya. Today is our political science test, right?
Yes.
And the topic, the Indian Constitution, is so vast and confusing. My mind feels completely muddled with lots of topics, concepts, and articles. Everything is mixed up in my head.
Relax, Beauty. Constitution is actually very interesting. It's not confusing. If you understand the concept behind it, you can easily score good marks in it. That means make it to you.
Namaste, I am Constitution. I am not an ordinary book. I am a book of rules and regulations. I was born out of dreams of millions of freedom fighters who wanted a nation stood on justice, equality, fraternity. What is need of me? I provide assurance to the citizens by providing rules and regulations. I decide who is having power to take decisions. I limit the government power by providing provision and fundamental rights to the citizen. Now, my friend will explain you about me.
Now, I am here to tell you about the time taken to make our Indian Constitution. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete our Indian Constitution and was adopted on 26 November 1949 and our nation celebrated it as Constitution Day and was enacted on 26 January 1950 and our nation celebrated it as Republic Day. Now, my friend will come and tell you about the structure of Constitution.
Now, I am here to tell you about the persons who has written the Constitution. The first, Vasant Krishna Vaidya, the calligrapher for the Hindi original. The second, Prem Bihari Raizada, the calligrapher for the English, who has famously written his name on each page. Then third one is Nandlal Bose and Ram Manohar Sinha, artists who decorated each page. Then Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee, who has responsible for the content.
I am here to tell you the women who participate in the Indian Constitution. There were mainly 50 women. Like names are Sarojini Naidu, Durgabai Deshmukh, Neela Roy, Renuka Roy, and Vijayalakshmi Pandit.
After post-partition, there are 299 members. In this, 229 members are based on Indian provision and 70 members are based on Indian provision. And the final document was signed on 24 January 1950.
Now I am here to tell you about constitution structure. It is the longest written constitution in the world with a structured preamble and various parts like 25 parts and 12 schedules with 448 articles detailing with parliamentary government, federal system, directive principles, fundamental rights and duties. Thank you.
The Indian Constitution Assembly had several committees with the key ones are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Drafting Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru Sub-State Committee, Advisor Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, L.C. Mukherjee Minority State Committee, and at last G.V. Kriplani Fundamental Rights.
Schedule are the document added to the Constitution that explain articles in more detailed way and provide additional information that usually articles do not provide. The easiest way to learn schedule is tiers of old tier. Tiers stand for territories, emoluments, affirmation, Rajya Sabha schedule areas. Old stand for other schedule areas, land reform. Schedule 1 lists the state and union territories of India. Second, list the salaries of officials holding public office, President, judges and Auditor General of India. Third, forms of oaths and affirmations of office for elected officials including judges. Fourth, allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha to the state and the union territories. Fifth, administration and control of scheduled tribes and scheduled areas. Sixth, administration of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura.
The article explains everything, including power of president, prime minister, independent election, independent judiciary, emergencies, central-state relation, and much more.
Article 1 to 4 outlines about Union and its territories. Article 5 to 11 outlines about citizenship. Article 13 to 35 outline about fundamental rights.
Article 75 and 78, Prime Minister of India. Article 76, Attorney General of India. Article 167, Duty of Chief Minister.
Article 280 explain about the Finance Commission. Article 324 explain about the Election Commission. Article 343 explain about Hindi as official language.
7. Division of power between state and union. 8. Language recognization by the Constitution. 9. Act and regulation of the state legislature dealing with land reform and zamindari system. 10. Eviction law. 11. Act regulation responsibilities by the Panchayat. Last, Act regulation responsibility of municipalities.
The Panchayat, 8. The municipalities, 9. Cooperative societies, 10. Relations between states and union, 11. Official language, 12. Elections. I am going to explain about Article 352, 356 and 360. The President can declare national emergency under Article 352. President rule can be imposed any state of India under Article 356, and Article 360 of Indian Constitution can empower the President to invoke the financial emergency.
Article 36 to 51 tells about directive principle of state policy. Article 51A tells about fundamental duties. Article 52 to 62 tells about President of India.
Start. Article 280 explain about Finance Commission. Article 324 explain about election of commission. Article 343 explain about India as Hindi is official language.
Now, I am here to tell you the parts of Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution currently has 25 parts, but started with 22 parts when adopted in 1950. And the main parts are Part 1, the Union and its territories. Part 2, the citizens. Part 3, the fundamental rights. Part 4, the directive principles. Part 4A, fundamental duties. Part 5, the Union. Part 6, the states.
Now, I will be telling you about the amendment, the changes which were made for the betterment of the Constitution for the present as well as the future. Our Indian Constitution as it is, and it is a very crucial process for the changes. And the Indian Constitution is also flexible and goes according to the society. As we all know that the Indian Constitution is a living document. 100 plus amendments are made, and from there, 42nd and the 44th are very important. 42nd amendment is also known as mini constitution. The Article 368, which Parliament's access to the Constituent Assembly and certain powers it exercises. Thank you.
Always remember me. I am not a book, I am a book of laws. I am the longest written constitution in the world. Follow me and use me to build a great and powerful nation. Thank you.
Wow, I never knew Constitution is such an interesting topic. Now everything is so clear and my test will be outstanding.
I hope you understand that Constitution is very interesting and it is very important.